Please take a second. Imagine a world no kids go hungry. A world while farmers predict the flood, drought months in advance, where every grain of rice is accounted for, where no food is wasted. Now imagine that this world is within our grasp. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Hengde Qin, coming from Syngenta Group. I'm here today to share with you a revolution. Not a revolution of electricity or steam engine, but a revolution of bytes and algorithms. Today, AI is poised to solve the human's oldest and the most persistent challenge facing the world. Delivering food security is a shared challenge of human that affects everyone. According to UN's World Food Program, right now, there are 343 million people are facing acute hunger. As global population reaches 9.7 billion in 2050, that means we have to produce a staggering 50% more food to feed the people. So we believe AI technology innovation is bringing the chance to human to deal with this kind of biggest challenge to us. So we have made this as our mission in Syngenta, is to tackle these challenges. Let me tell you about our company. Syngenta Group is a global agri-tech innovation company, which innovation is in our DNA. We have more than 6,500 scientists working in global 150 R&D hubs, creating cutting-edge technology for global farmers. This includes the latest agri-tech, seeds, and crop protection, including both chemistry and the biologicals. We have the strongest innovation pipeline in the industry. We are doubling down what we do the best. For example, last year alone, we invested $1.9 billion in innovation. We believe AI is enabling us to deliver a new agriculture era to improve the sustainability and the food security. So what AI is doing in our company? Actually, AI is supercharging our labs and accelerating our innovation. With all the research projects now using the machine learning to help us to quickly identify active ingredients, which is a new molecule. Our strategic adoption of AI also is helping us to significantly increase our efficiency of the innovation. In industry right now, every year, the whole industry is developing 6 new active ingredients for the farmers. Syngenta accounts a quarter. But AI is helping us, enabling us to increase our efficiency to innovate. We are aiming to increase from 1.5 new active ingredients per year to 2 new products per year, which represents 30% of the efficiency improvement. Don't be underestimated this kind of contribution to the food security and also deal with the climate change, as I just shared with you. So we think about AI means win-win-win. Farmers, by winning, to gaining the faster access to most innovative products and the agronomic solution. And also we as a company, we are winning by bringing the innovative products faster to the market. And also this world, by wins, becoming more food secure. So you might be thinking, what does a win-win-win look like on the ground? Let me share you a real story, which happened in Brazil, the biggest soybean exporter globally. In 2021-22 season, there was a new, very strange disease destroying the vast soil field in Brazil. So in Brazil's heartland, Mato Grosso, so the soil field was facing nearly half of the crop was lost. So our team raced against the clock to identify what's the cause behind the damage. Our team sped up the process to develop an AI-driven machine learning model to detect, to analyze the sample of the damaged soil. Just after 2 months, when the first samples were taken, our team detected there were 2 fungal diseases caused this damaging nightmare for farmers. So this is a real story telling us AI is helping us safeguard the harvest in the field, which can ultimately help us deal with this kind of food security. So this is a real win-win-win. Brazilian farmers, they were able to win against the wind battle against the disease. It should be normally have taken years, but just within months. We were able to win because we can bring the innovative products very efficiently to the market. Also, we won together in the joint efforts to secure a key protein-rich crop, which is soy, for this world. So AI-powered digital tool also enabling us to serve the farmers in a much broader area. Our most popular is CropWise, which right now covers 70 million hectares globally. It's uniquely collected together with all the high-quality data set we collected from satellite, from drones, from the trial of the crop, from the weather, together with the equipment on farm, like tractors and also sensors. All the high-quality structurized data can help us to deliver the agronomic knowledge. We can immediately provide the advice and the agronomic advice and the service to farmers, which can help them increase the yield. Meanwhile, can help them to cut the cost. Actually, in China, AI also is enabling us to serve Chinese farmer with a more efficient way. A great example is a MAP, or Modern Agriculture Platform, which is a network of 700 agronomic solution centers. Combined with the digital tools, we can serve the farmers with a more advanced technology, help them to secure the yield, increase their profitability, while help Chinese farmers to cut their carbon footprint significantly. We believe the countries like China, agriculture is undergoing a transformation towards the future, and the AI and the digital automation is playing a crucial role to help this happen, to feed the Chinese world, also benefit to this whole world. We fully recognize addressing food security and climate change cannot be achieved through Syngenta's solution and our innovation alone. Syngenta has a long history of partnering with others. Including all the startups. Let me share you recently happened story. We collaborated with a Swiss agri-tech startup called Gamaya. We developed the first ever commercial digital tool to detect nematode by satellite image. For those, probably you are not familiar with nematode, let me tell you a little bit. Nematode is underground worms that feed the root of crops, creating the damage, the most damage impact for the crop yield. Easily you can lose at least 20% of the yield. Can be as high as 150 billion US dollar per year globally. So this digital tool uses most advanced algorithm to detect area of nematode, enable farmer can take action to avoid this crop failure. So I do hope here, all the startups, please reach out to me, to Syngenta, if you think we can work together to deal with this kind of humans' most critical challenges together. While you might not have previously thought of agriculture as being at the forefront of AI, I hope I have given you an insight about what we are doing to drive the AI to help us to innovate, also to feed the world. This is a win for farmers. This is a win for us as a company. Also a win for the food security for all the human. So I would recognize the very important role that the tech company like Alibaba playing in delivering the ecosystem to enable the AI to all the companies and the startups. It's critical, this kind of technology, the access to the system are democratized through open platform and the open source models to enable us to accelerate innovation. So finally today, what we are doing here together to share our innovative ideas, to creating the new technology, also together to breaking the boundaries. We need to work together to adapt to this kind of fast evolving technology, to learn from each other, to share your views, then we can find a way to collaborate together. So this is also Syngenta's, our strategic intention to also participate in this ecosystem, to contribute, also to get your support, your partnership to deal with most challenging for the human. So I hope we can have a more opportunity to work together. Thank you so much. Thank you.